A big focus for manufacturers today are screen-free toys for kids. The one that we're looking at today is the Jooki Kids screen-free streaming speaker. So, we're unboxing the Jooki. Let's do it. First thing, it comes with some instructions on how to set up, which is super nice. It seems like you have to plug it in, charge it of course, download the app, and then kind of get started from there. So, biggest thing here, what do we got? Okay, so this is, I think these are the tokens that they're actually talking about. The tokens that you connect with an audio file, an audiobook, a podcast, and these are the actual things that you plug into the Jooki. So just leave those out there. Charging cord, of course. Let's see. Next thing. Packaging is nice. Soft and child-friendly, that's for sure. So this is the actual Jooki. Bigger than I thought it was gonna be, to be honest with you. It's, you know, bright colors for kids. I think it's, I mean, I guess if I were a kid, I'd like it. And I assume that these are the kind of tokens that fit into this, the machine. But the thing is too that it's not just tokens, they also come with figurines. And these figurines are basically the same thing. You connect them to a podcast, an audiobook, an audio file, and then you can plug them into this, the Jooki machine, and I guess plays them. Oh, cool. These are pretty cool. We got some like different types of figurines. They got like a knight. So I'll leave those two there. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna guess fox. So other figurines too. These are cool. I think they're very, again, child friendly for sure. So those are the figurines, and I think this box here actually is the next set of tokens. So let's unbox these. Oh, and it seems like there's quite a few in here actually. Let's see. Yeah, so more of these colorful Jooki tokens for you know, the kids to plug in. Awesome. So how do these actually work? Let's see. So I think you have to plug this one in here. Pretty intuitive. And then I guess once it's charged, you can actually place these figurines onto the Jooki and it'll actually play them. I think same thing with the, not just the figurines, but the tokens also fit pretty well into the Jooki. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. So once you link them, I guess you can use the app to link those audio files onto these tokens or onto these figurines, and then once they're linked, you actually just place them onto the Jooki, and then the speaker will actually just play them out loud, which is pretty cool.
We'll be posting our review or feature of this product in an upcoming episode of Connected. Make sure to watch out for it on eaglenewslive.com or through our social media portals.
Subscribe now, and I'll see you back here soon.